This is my 1978 Star Wars slot car racing set. The graphics on this box is awesome looking. Really cool. You got a father and son. Looks like they're having a great time with this thing. If anybody knows anything about this racing set, please tell me, because this is a little before my time and I need help. This is almost complete. I just don't have a couple of the things. I don't have this score counter, this Duel at the Death Star banner, and some of these other things like these corner guardrails. I don't have them. There's the list of everything that comes with it, and I have most of them in good condition. Here is everything I got for it. These things are supposed to go over the track, and it looks like the Death Star, little explosions, little guns. Here's the original controllers. There were decals that were supposed to go on this side, but I don't have them. And the power supply. This is where I need help. I don't understand how just those prongs go in here. I think there's more to it. I think there's more like plugs that go into that. So if anybody knows anything about this slot car set, please tell me. This is a head that's supposed to look like that picture. Go in there somehow. And here, this is the cool, this is my favorite part. I got two pieces here, unpunched, from the original cardboard. It's like Mark Hamill, but he has the Stormtrooper, like, disguise on. I don't think that's the X-Wing fighter, like, clothing. You got the original instruction manual, which is pretty, like, roached here. But you can still see. You can open the pages. It shows you how the cars are put together. And over here, it's got different configurations. How you can make it. There is, I think this is pretty long, and there's 4 other turn parts and at least 4 other straight track. Here is the X-Wing fighter slot car. It's in really good condition. And when you hit it from the back, that's supposed to pop off like that. And the same for Darth Vader's slot car. It's like his TIE fighter inside of a slot car with this cool orb in the front.